BTC is priced around $45,200, and from some hours BTC down from more than 5.7%. So let's see what is the price update of Bitcoin and why this happened, and now can be possibly recovery. Also, right now we are talking about something different topic. Means we are not getting any money for our data, right? But big companies like Microsoft, like Amazon Web Services are generating millions of dollars from this. And in this video I am going to share a project which give us money for our data. Simply you can say we are monetize our data. So let's get started. In some hours ago, the Bitcoin price got down from this range. This range is important for like $47,000 to $46,800, which has been very big and nice resistance and support for BTC price. But now what happened, and BTC got down from this level, and why this happening? Because of BTC price movement, and Ethereum and all altcoins also going down because of this move. We can see from this level to BTC drop around this level. After that some recovery happened, but again drop from this to this. After that some recovery is going to be happen, but right now it's very concerned. Some news about in the market coming, that's why this big happening move. Okay, when we see what can be happening right now, so we can easily expect that from here to recovery can be possible to here, which around 2.9% recovery. But after that major crash can be also come, because we can know that Bitcoin, they didn't drop in a single way. They dropped in the drop, and after that recovery, drop, after that recovery, drop, recovery, and drop, recovery is happening in the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, and all altcoin price also doing these same things. Because market cannot be drop like a single candle. Okay, it can't be candle like from this to this. It have to be go like from this to this recovery, from this to this recovery, after that again crash. So for this can be retest. So we have to careful for the taking trade. And basically if you are doing intraday, if you are taking high level like 30, 40, 50x, so you have to be very careful after this register. Okay, if this register not break, we can heavily say from this to this 3% drop definitely will come. And if this drop comes, your all fund is easily liquidated if you are using high leverage in the exchanges. We can see all Ethereum altcoin also moving this, and we can definitely see they are following the BTC. Okay, so you have to concern about that. For the short term, you can definitely go for the from this area to this area. From 1% pump can be definitely happen in the BTC. It can be retest, but you can definitely say it can be happen. It's no big issue in the BTC price, because it is normal in the price action. Okay, but we have to be stay away, because if it can be recovery, so you can, if it didn't break up, it can be break down. So you have to prepare for that, and you can have to stay alert in the market to making a trade. Okay, I hope you understand what is the BTC price can be happen and why we have to take smart decision to make the money. Okay, and right now, okay, I have a serious project which has been named is Streamr, because when we see the Streamr, what is this? Okay, because we know that right now all things are going to be smarter, like smart home, smart cars, smartphone, etc. Every device is constantly communicate with each other, and that's why they are generating huge amount of data. And this amount of data stored in the centralized product, like you can say Amazon Web Services, they are storing your data, or Microsoft Web Services, they are storing your data. You know that this big company are selling your data, private companies, and generating lot of money, like millions of dollars. But now Streamr is here, and Streamr aim tokenize with the value of real-time data. Okay, they are tokenize the value of data. Means, for example, let's consider a self-driving car of Tesla. Okay, you have a self-driving car, and for various purposes, it constantly needs the data from other machines, such as a traffic signals, traffic cars, electricity price, nearest charging stations, like that. And Streamr is providing single interface for real-time data delivery and payment, making data streams tradable by people and machines using cryptographic token called DATAcoin, which will live on blockchain. The data can automatically get data it needs, and they pay for it, and in turn car can also set the data, like where is the traffic data, other cars, road conditions, measurements, like that. Smart city location, battery level, like various things you can sell and you can consume. Streamr has distributed the authority among the all participants. Means they not have authority to just for the centralized services like that. Like centralized company are not holding your data. Okay, data Streamr ecosystem is born. Streamr is completely decentralized peer-to-peer network. Data source can be connected and any node on the network publishes a data point and the network will instantly deliver it valid subscribers. Okay, they are scalable and achieve where means the network is integrated with Ethereum blockchain using smart contract for security optional purpose and monetizing the data. Means decentralized means anyone can run a node in the network and earn DATAcoin in the exchange of pouring bandwidth in the data. If you see how this long, you can say from here like United States of America, all countries, United Kingdom, France, you can say from India to China, from Russia, the big countries, all countries are using, and you can say the nodes 2816 nodes, and API is huge in the Streamr. 202 API, which has been really very high API in the normal market. Okay, and we can see there is a very huge, that's why the is like very best for other developers, other streamers, they are selling data. Like you are selling data for the money. Okay, you are converting your data in the money, which data you can share with anyone, like which has been not a private data, not your passwords like that, but you can sell. Okay, the Streamr, a decentralized real-time data network, create, share, conquer data streams and the sale, and you can say the web protocol with the power of true monetization. You can say that they are featured in Forbes, big BBC and Coindex, which has been huge. Watch a trader. Streamr as a network provides this bulletproof sub data transmission layer, allows to connect your data and rest the world with quickly. Okay, you can connect the data into Streamr. I will show you where you can connect. Okay, you can say there are so many networks available. You can explore the Streamr real-time data system, atomic units, and Streamr network. Each Streamr use Ethereum address or ENS name is its primary domain. Explain a few public example below. Okay, there are a few examples like that. If you see developers, you can see their data union is one of the framework which has been good product of their marketplace, also good product core and a network explorer like that. Building Streamr build days, you can say the run a road, how you can run, let me explain. Okay, you can say you can funded project builded on that. Also data token price, if you see the price of data token, we can see 0.08 is the right now price happening in the data token, which has been current price market capitalization. So you can see they're available on major exchanges like KuCoin, Binance, Get.io like that, which has been huge. Like Binance is a very huge exchange and they are already available on that, so you can easily trade him in the Binance. Okay, right now 0.08 price, all time high. If you see the what is all time high, we can definitely see that the all time high is around $0.3. Okay, is 4 years ago. Okay, 4 years ago is $0.03, and that Twitter is also available where they are posting a decentralized peer-to-peer network data and peers network data building Streamr joint community. Okay, 43,000. Also they have Discord, which has been generally there are so many active people. Okay, you can say there are so many active. I will down the description the link, you can join, you can discuss. If you have any question, you can also ask in the comment section. Also you can directly go in the Discord, you can directly go in the Telegram, and you can ask the question. The team will definitely help you in that, what is happening in the market or what is their new project. If they need an announcement, okay, new announcement will come in the project, they will easily tell you that you can easily understand. If you understand, you can make profit and you can understand the project quite very technical. Okay, you can say their data token availability, market capitalization, or you can say the supporters, partners like that. Okay, and when we see, you can say the available, and we can see the, if you see the what is the team member behind that, you can see the main project is founder of the Streamr. We can see Henry is a founder and CEO, which has been developed this Streamr network for us, and which has been very huge contribution of it, which has been, you can say the 10 years, mid 2017 he founded that, and after that so many teams available. But main person, if you want to understand, you can get interviews of in YouTube. You can see in the official handle of the Streamr in the YouTube, you can definitely get him, and you can easily understand by this, which has been, I love to understanding of the founder, because no one can explain more better than the founder. Okay, and when you see we can see there are just so many projects like Data Union. Let me explain what is Data Union, how it working like that, what is the mean. Let's understand the Data Union in the step by step. You can say the Data Union are the way of application and device the managed concept. We can say the collecting data rewards users with micropayments for any valuable data. They are jointly provide the Data Union are a build technology framework leveraging Streamr, so you can say Ethereum blockchain, enabling data crowdfunding, selling, and the scale. And the framework has been active development since 2019 in the part of Streamr project. And new 3.0 various of the frameworks has been recently released. Means so many frameworks has been recently released with many of the future development of the roadmaps. More than 20,000 users on the platform so far. You can say that while the data, you can say the economics and the market are, you can say the movement they are projected generated 13 trillion in the new global economic activities by 2030. According to the, we can say there is a very ethical and the fair methods to data collecting. Okay, you don't have to be temper like another countries. You can say the monitors are required for enabling the data ecosystem take off, and you can say that the data cooperation, data self-realization. You can say the network like Ethereum are also building. Okay, you can say data union framework, the platform. Okay, the perform combination. You can technology application builders top in the value generated those marks. The second proposal of the launching data union DAO. You know the DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization, means there are no one central authority is controlling this. You can say the mission of the data union DAO will be govern on the future development data union framework. The data union DAO will be have its own token union. Okay, this is a union token which, because it's a DAO, no one has the control. If the Streamr is controlling them, it's not called a DAO. Okay, that's why you can see it was what will be used in governance of token inside the teams to grow existing data union, build new ones. You can say the increasing the proprietary liquidity in the DEXs, other implement are available. Why launching new data and the token? You can say the behavior every DAO is group token holders can be incentivized this achieve the steer mission. Okay, the DAO is a decentralized decision making system that help token holders according to their efforts reach conciliate. You can say the governance proposal achieving the mission can be thought, and the project can function the DAO. And the core purpose of the streaming data token is the power the token ecosystem of the Streamr network. Therefore, the main objective of the Streamr. Okay, you can say the how will be union token will be distributed. You can say there is a planning. You can say the enabling the data union framework as a grow. You can say that you can governments in the new data and connecting union to the data token, providing data holders with the incentive supporting ecosystem, rewarded them in the work and data union so far. Okay, when you see there, we can say the approved 50 to 50 data unions, and they are like this SAP allowed data to holders like how they can get. Okay, you can say the supply 50% apply 60 to 60. You can say if the approved option submitted major of the votes of the approved option, the most votes become the decision. Okay, if the reject option, then like other DAOs. Okay, and we can say the bootstrapping of the data union. You can see in the intention of the new data start of the current data framework, data current roadmap, starting points. You can say starting of the which current setup also means data union constantly are that. You can say there is a case of agent principle. Okay, we can say there are so many steps on the kit of proposal. You can say the focus on data token union token has been different purpose, and their data is option there represent goal implementation. You can data union framework become a self you can healthy project for that they are doing also. Okay, I hope you understand the data. If you want this link, I will down the link where you can easily understand about this also. Okay, and when we see the how you can get, because I have already said that how many people are running their nodes and how many people are getting hell lot of money. Okay, you can say the nodes 2850 nodes and API with how is 202, which has been high API. Okay, and how you can get API, you can say how the staking was. You just have to enter and start broker node almost any hardware, put some data into their address and Polygon add in Polygon network, keep your brokerage up and running nodes, enjoy mining rewards. Okay, if you saw the broker node how you can install, which is very easy. Okay, broker node Streamr nodes extendly application which are startup and server, and very you can connect your application with that. After that you can run the node, you can download it, you can configure it, and how you can if you didn't comment, you can just this. If you are using Linux, Mac OS, you can just input this, and you can, if you are using Windows, you can input this. Okay, after that all information available. Okay, you can configure the data node and streaming limit. You can just go and read it. From this you can easily understand how it's working and like that. Okay, if you install there, how you can install, there is a two recommended way you can install the package. Either you can use Docker and install the npm package, both should be work as a fine, but there is some incident you can download it, and we can say the hardware and network requirement. We have not been very prices. We can the kind of hardware network connecting the need to able run nodes, because depending on multiple various thought testnets and almost start brokerage. IP restriction in the blue means how many IP restrictions if there is IP restriction, place limit amount of brokerage that appear from behavior of single IP address. There are nodes. you can say the mainnet will have a similar transaction place, but we have a increased amount of node that can be appear from the behavior single IP addresses from the hub. If you saw the staking, you can run a broker node almost in the mainnet, but these are guaranteed you to qualify of the reward and test nets. Okay, and you can say how many reward. If you see from this, you can say you can choose to between of the 10,000 data token your node address. You can more data in your node address that can be rewarded. Okay, for example, 30 data token on address A1 will get rewarded of 30 data staked, which has been context. Okay, and you can, if you need also like that, you can simply go and then you can easily understand this. I can't explain full because their video will be so long. I will just let you know that how you can do this. Okay, I hope you understand this, how you can get this huge API from this. Okay, the API is 202, which has been huge API. Okay, if we talk about the mainnet also, we can say the mainnet launch Streamr network appears key milestone of the decentralization. You can say the Streamr will transaction to open permission like decentralized broker nodes from February 24 to 2022. You can say the network is now on the pre-launch phase. Developer can now build their blockchain network or the mainstream. As the key details, the launching data, both blockchain mainnet and staking reward activities in February 2032. The Streamr that exists in the core network doesn't yet exist. Okay, the core app, you can see the for nodes running the new block posted on 7 April. You can see. If you see what is the new in progress area, we could the access control of the steams. You can say the light nodes, you can say the broker node in first stage. Okay, how do you transact cap script? You can say that you must fight majority of steamers, and easy way to do this, you can tool inside core app. You can also simpler because it manually once you steamer exists today, you can say you need to update your script and application and you can go. Okay, what is a light nodes? You can say you can think a light nodes application node. There are simply stream node can run locally as a part of your application. Instead, you can use extremely and like you can easily understand it. Okay, what happened in all, you can say the centralized, you can say the centralized core network will be date of the you can understand that this is a mainnet launch which has been happening, and you can definitely go and read it, which has been very easy for you. Okay, I hope you understand the three major things like data union DAO, and you can say how you can stake and how you can get a high API like 202, and also the mainnet which has been happening. Okay, so I hope you like the video, you like my video, so please like the channel, join the Discord, so if you have any question you can also ask me comment, and you can definitely go in the ask in their Discord. Okay, if you can follow their Twitter, they will also post some news where you can understand. Okay, I hope you understand the project. You can say Streamr is a project focused on seamless data exchange, monetization data, the peer-to-peer network which has been real-time data runs in the allow smart contract user to facilitate the project. The broker nodes are the key element of the network which has been work as following, like data receiving from providers, also called publishers, and like this is a public and patterns and network issue. You can say there is a data token with smart contract called a bounty secured in the party system. The data system is secured by broker node and mining bounty. You can say subscribe, and you can see the number of technology you have developed in the Streamr. This project is very big potential. The token price is around $0.08 and all-time highs around $0.3. Okay, and you can simply go in there and ask any question. You can follow them in the, you can understand the team. If you can watch their interviews on the YouTube. Their interview are very good. The founder Henry, which has been very big personality. Okay, I hope you understand the project. You like the video. If you like the video, please like the video, comment down what you think this project you like or not, or what your opinion about this project. I love to let you know, and also share with your friends so they can also understand what is this project. So thank you.